In this video, we'll show you how to manually place orders with TopDawg. As a retailer, there are 3 ways you can process dropship orders in your retailer account. Orders are automatically placed through any of our integrations. You can place a single order using the cart, or upload multiple orders using the bulk order upload feature. First, let's look at how to place a single order using the cart. Once you're logged into your dashboard, you can access TopDawg's cart in 2 ways. You can click the cart icon in the top navigation bar. Or you may also select Place New Orders from your dashboard. TopDawg's cart allows you to place an order for 1 or more items to be shipped to one end customer. If a product is not already in your cart, locate the product and click Add to Cart. Once the product is added, enter the customer's first name, last name, and phone number. These fields are required. You may also add a company name or email address if needed, but those fields are optional. Click Next to enter the shipping address. Enter the customer's full shipping details, including the street address, city, state, country, and zip code. You can also add delivery instructions if needed. Once everything is complete, click Validate and Save to continue to the next step. Now that you've added your customer's info, you'd now either select or add a payment method to be charged for this order. Now that you've selected or added your payment method, select Update Shipping to calculate the shipping costs and finalize the order total. Once you've verified all the order data, click Place Order. Now let's look at the second option, Bulk Order Upload. Bulk Order Upload allows you to place multiple orders at once by uploading an Excel file. First, download the bulk order template. Open the template and enter the order info. This includes the TDID, quantity, customer's name, phone number, and shipping address details. Once completed, return to the cart page in your TopDawg account. Click Upload Spreadsheet and upload your completed Excel file. The system will automatically begin processing the orders. If any orders fail, you may select the red icon in the Failed Orders column. You can review your processed orders in the Order History section of your dashboard. If any orders fail to process, check the Failed Orders tab to see the reason and correct the issue before resubmitting. And that's it. You can now place single orders through the cart or upload multiple orders at once using the bulk order upload feature.
Connect, simplify, scale. TopDawg, leading the pack in dropshipping.